Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook vegan food. First, let's understand the core principles. Vegan cooking focuses on plant-based ingredients, completely avoiding animal products like meat, dairy, and eggs. You'll learn to identify common substitutes and adapt your favorite recipes. We'll cover everything from basic pantry staples to advanced flavor combinations, ensuring your meals are both delicious and nutritious. Get ready to transform your kitchen. Let's dive into the stars of vegan cuisine, plant-based ingredients. You'll want to stock up on versatile proteins such as lentils, black beans, and firm tofu, which offer about 15 to 20 grams of protein per serving. Don't forget a rainbow of fresh vegetables and fruits for vitamins and fiber. Whole grains like quinoa and brown rice provide sustained energy, while healthy fats from avocados and nuts add richness and essential nutrients. These form the foundation of countless delicious meals. Mastering a few key techniques will elevate your vegan cooking. Proper seasoning is crucial. Experiment with herbs, spices, and umami-rich ingredients like nutritional yeast or soy sauce. To achieve satisfying textures, learn to crisp tofu, roast vegetables until tender crisp, and simmer legumes to perfection. Creating flavorful sauces without dairy is simple using nut milks, vegetable broths, and thickening agents like cornstarch. These skills will make your plant-based dishes truly shine. Finally, let's talk about building balanced and satisfying vegan meals. Aim to combine a good source of plant protein, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats in each dish. For example, a lentil stew with brown rice and avocado provides a complete nutritional profile. Ensure you're getting enough vitamins and minerals by incorporating a wide variety of colorful produce. Don't be afraid to experiment with global cuisines, from vibrant Indian curries to hearty Italian pasta dishes, making every meal an exciting culinary adventure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.